Hello all, welcome to our channel PlanNest. Today we are going to see north facing house plan, duplex house plan. Total plot area is 33,311 square feet and builder area is 1,208 square feet. In the northeast of north there is a main gate, and in the northeast corner you can place water tank or some rainwater harvesting, these things, and the northwest of north you can place a septic tank. In north there is a huge space. Then in the northeast corner there is a sit out 10 feet 9 inch by 10 feet, and after entering the main door there is a living space 19 feet 6 inch by 14 feet. In the west side there is a staircase, L type staircase placed in the for the first floor. Kitchen is in the southeast corner with the back door. Kitchen size is 10 by 11. Here stove will be kept in the east wall, and the sink is in the northeast corner. And then southwest corner there is a master bedroom the size of 12 feet 3 inches by 11 inches 11 feet, and the wardrobe we can place in this side, and attached toilet in the size of 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Also dining in the size of 14 feet by 10 feet 9 inches, and attached common toilet also available in the size of 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Here in the northwest corner there is a kids bedroom 12 feet 3 by 11 feet, and here bed is in the east side with attached toilet 8 6 by 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Here commode is in the north side facing south. So after entering the first floor, here there is a hall 9 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. And same like ground floor, there is a master bedroom 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet, and attached toilet 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches, and common toilet 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. So same like ground floor, this first floor the rooms are available. Same kids bedroom 12 feet 3 inches by 11, and for that attached toilet 8 feet 6 inches by 4 6. Total east side there is a balcony come open area. So if you like this video, like, comment and share it. For more house plans like this, subscribe our channel. Also our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, PlanNest and DesignNest. Thanks for watching.